Thutha wa igoti ria gucokia maciira riko guikia njacira uria kamiti ya IEBC iracoketie riko ikienda maumirira ma gite gia president makanirirwo ni muikariri gite wa kamiti ino ni kuretereirwo kuonwo kana IEBC ni guthie igoti-ini itugiru kuregana na itua riri.
We shall go through it and see what areas the Court of Appeal has clarified. So for us it's not a win or lose situation. For us it is the clarification of the articles of the Constitution and the Elections Act, which we shall be looking at.
No kuroneka thutha wa guthurima itua ria acirithania atano aria marari cira-ini uyu kamiti ya IEBC ni iganire na itua riri makiuga riu magukorwo makigacirithia mitaratara ya kuhaririria githurano niguo gutigirira githurano giki kia mweri wa kanana ni gigatwarana na itua ria muthenya wa ira.
It is as hypocritical as it is incongruous for the appellant to doubt the competency, proficiency, and honesty of its own staff as the reason for the need to verify the results to ensure they are not tampered with. The appellant has the opportunity, indeed a duty, to vet all its prospective employees to ensure they pass the integrity test before engaging them.
O ni kuga muikariri gite wa kamiti ino niitikirite ati wira wake hindi ya githurano ugakorwo tu ari kwamukira maumirira ma giturwa gia president kuma kuri arugamiriri a ithurano icigo-ini ciothe 229 cia ubunge kumataraniria na kwanirira muhotani. Kwahoteka riu IEBC ni gwikora igithamia arugamiriri a githurano kuma icigo imwe cia ubunge niguo gutigirira gutire afitha ona umwe ugakorwo akirugamirira githurano kuria umite kana kundu angikora akihinyiririo guthogotha maumirira ma giturwa gia president. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.